So we have a question to answer again. And the question is, can I use Kikoff with Self, Chime, or other credit builders? Now, the solid answer to this is yes, you can and you should use Kikoff alongside other credit building tools like Self and Chime because each platform reports separately to the credit bureaus. So, using multiple accounts can help you build a stronger payment history, improve credit utilization, diversify your credit profile. But still, do take note, you need to make sure that you stay on top of your payments across all of your accounts because missed payments can hurt more than help build your credit score. Now, here's a pro tip: the more positive accounts you have reporting, the better your credit mix looks to lenders. So that's all for this video, guys. This is Josh. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe because I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.